Welcome to Solve It with Speedtech, where we share common knowledge on how to solve IT and media-related problems. In this short video, I will be teaching you how to remove virus or malicious software from your computer without the use of an antivirus software. If you notice that your computer is acting funny, and you think your computer has a virus or any malicious software or applications, and you are looking for ways to get rid of the malicious software or viruses, I have provided steps in this video to get rid of the virus or any malicious application from your computer without the use of any antivirus software. On your Windows computer, press the Windows button plus letter R on the keyboard to launch the Run command. On the Run command dialog box that will appear, type the word MRT in capital letters as displayed here. Click OK or press Enter on the keyboard. You will see, Welcome to the Microsoft Windows Malicious Software Removal tool. Click Next. Select the type of scan you want. Quick scan, full scan, or customized scan. Click Next. The scanning process will begin and all virus and malicious software will be detected and removed. Allow the scan process to complete. Then click Finish. This is a very simple method to get rid of any virus or malicious application from your computer without any antivirus software. I believe you found this video helpful. Do this and share your experience in the comments section. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and share to anybody that might need the information. Please do subscribe if you are yet to do so. See you in my next video and thank you for watching.